And in this video we are assembling the Travel Netherlands box card. So I've got all the pieces laid out, and I'm just going to go ahead and start right here with the front layer piece. I want to pop this with a foam dot, pop dot. I have ink on my fingernail. Okay, so this is the front layer. And now I'll just set that aside. I'm going to bring in the back layer. My blade hasn't been cutting these out very good. I think it's time for me to put in a new blade. So you've got a pair of clogs with this file. And I think got a sliver of paper stuck in there. I'm gonna pop up the front flower. Okay, so that's that layer. Now let's bring in the camera. So the three travel cards I'm making today, I'm having to make them backwards. the camera shutter button is on the wrong side because I forgot to reverse this in the file. So it will be different when you assemble it. Your shutter button will be on the correct side. I'm going to go in and reverse this one particular. It would have been fine if I hadn't put the back layer onto the thing, and when I did that I did not reverse it the other way. So I think I want this part to be popped. Yeah. And I think I'll go ahead and still put some dimension on the top flower. Hopefully that's not too much. Okay, so there's that. Now this was the culprit to why it was backwards, because it should be going this way, but I didn't reverse this, so I'm gonna fix that. Again, your tab will be on the other side so that your camera is facing the right orientation. I think I might need to put this together first. Yes. Okay, I have to check something very quick. Let me look at this file because maybe I'm doing it backwards. It is correct. I would suggest putting this dome on first so that you have this to guide where you will put this piece. Then you can just put it right up against that. We're going to pop up your windmill. And you just want to kind of center that right on there. And again on this one I'm going to pop up the top flower. Now on the back side of this, you have your film strip, and this is for your sentiment. So you just want to layer this with white. There we are. Now we're going to put our camera together. I'm standing this up on the table so that I'm certain that it's level. There we are. Now we're going to insert the back layer. And I think I'm going to reverse these. I like the 3 flowers in the back. So you're going to lay this right down flat on the back. Then we're going to lay this one on top of that layer. Keep your tabs open. We're going to put glue on these 2 tabs. Enough to hold, but not enough that it'll ooze out. Then we're going to take this side and fold it up over. Fold it both ways. And now we're going to close it. I'm going to put glue on this tab. Got glue rolling off my fingertips there. And there is the Travel Netherlands box card. Was I holding it up too high? Thank you for joining me.